3 ways to organize toys. The first solution utilizes drawers. Stackable drawers help maximize vertical space. If safety is a concern, make sure to secure the drawers to the stand and the stand to the wall. Stacked drawers help create a streamlined look. Remember to store similar toys with one another. Labeling each drawer creates a long-lasting system. The second solution is a cube system. Find a cubby system that fits your space and needs. Baskets can hide toys in plain sight, while clear bins help you see everything you own. Bins make transporting toys easy and efficient. The third option uses shelves with bins. Open shelving is perfect for mixing and matching baskets and bins. This is a great way to bring lots of color into the space. And it's easy for kids to see everything they own. Organizing kids' toys is a breeze with these 3 easy solutions.